2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.